You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing vocabulary in English that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning. In British English, this is said as revere, revere, revere. Stress on the second syllable. In American English, it is said as revere, revere, or in British English again, revere. More videos here about how to pronounce more confusing names and words. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.